Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fatahan Fabian. I will make a presentation in the material understanding taxpayer rights and obligation, and the difference between tax and leaves. Tax play an important role in financing the country development program. Without taxpayer hours, the wealth of government are difficult to run on. In this occasion, we will discuss three important things: the definition of a taxpayer, the rights and obligation attached to it, and the fundamental difference between tax and levies, and the previous material definition of a taxpayer. Tax subject will ask the obligation to pay tax to individual or legal entity. 3. Based on tax legislation. Taxpayer is an individual or entity, including taxpayer without and collector will tax rights and obligation in accordance with tax law. This status in current based on legal provision and applies to both clients and business entities as long as they meet the requirements as a tax subject. The next material, taxpayer rights. 1. Receive tax service. 2. File objection and appeals. 3. Receive and a refund of employer resignation for data protection. The explanation: every taxpayer has the right to receive, file, and transfer service from in the tax authority. They have a right to file objection or applies if they feel deception request and returns of overpayment and have their data confidentially guarded. These rights aim to create balance relationship between the state and taxpayer. And the next material, taxpayer obligation. Registers to obtain tax identification number or NPWP. Fill out and submit the annual tax returns or SPT on time, pay tax in the accord with the provision. Last, give proof of payment. And the next explanation, in addition to rights, taxpayer also have obligations such as rights to obtain tax identification number or NPWP, filling out and reporting the annual tax or SPT on time, paying the tax according to applied rates and regulation, and keeping proof or payment and administration or audit purpose. Next, difference between tax and levies. 1. Tax, mandatory non-direct compensation. 2. Levy, direct compensation in the form of service facilities. 3. Tax are managed to central or local government. 3. Levies are generally managed by local government. And the explanation: tax and levies are both sources of state regular revenue, budget differ in characteristic. Tax are mandatory without direct compensation, while levies and paid the direct compensation for service facility provided by government. The management also different taxes can management by the central or local government. Next, example of tax and levies. Tax income tax or PPH, value added tax or VAT, motor financial tax, levies, parking levy and market levy. And explanation: example of the tax includes income tax, PPH, value added tax, VAT, and motor financial tax, while example of levies include parking levies on public road, market service levies, and building permit levies. This difference is important to understand so as not to convince payment obligation. And the last material conclusion, awareness of paying tax in the technical form or contribution to nation process by understanding the rights and obligations of taxpayer as well. This distinction between tax and lives, and we can become law-abiding citizens while also help to promote tangible development.